Hey guys, hope you're doing okay. Welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you how to use mTracker 3D plugin. Once you have your Final Cut Pro open and you have created your project, go ahead and select the video clip that you would like to use mTracker 3D on. Drag and drop the clip to your timeline. Then on the bottom right corner of the screen in the effects browser, look for mTracker 3D, then drag and drop mTracker 3D onto your clip and your timeline. Then click this track button in the viewfinder, and mTracker 3D is gonna analyze each and every frame in your video. Depending on what kind of computer, what kind of Mac you have, it's gonna take some time. I'm gonna fast forward this for you, but in real time this took like a minute. Once you're done, click on copy track. Now what you want to do is go to titles and titles sidebar, look for mTracker 3D, then select any object that you want to use to track in your video. Let's go ahead and use this target arrow. Drag and drop right above your video clip. On the right hand side, click paste track. This is usually fast. It took like 10 seconds real time. I did not fast forward. So after you paste track, you're going to see 3 axes right here in the middle in the viewfinder. Click on this black button right here. On the right hand side, you can adjust the size of the content. You can disable animation in and out if you want to. So let's adjust the size. I think this is good. Right. Yeah. And then you can scroll down and then you can rename this to whatever you want. Us. Or how about my name? Bhavish. You can play the video from start. It's gonna blur out the name when you're playing the video in real time. But this is how it's gonna look. So this is how you use mTracker 3D plugin. This is a short video to get you guys started. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.